Friday. I think it's about 5 o'clock, and I decide it's not too early for a beer. So, in my unwavering commitment to make Barry the bike he can be, I need to generate some funds, because I've started getting most of the quotes that I want in for the work. And whilst it's no more expensive or cheaper than I thought it would be, it is going to cost some money. And we have, as you'll hopefully see over the next couple of weeks, on the normal release on a Sunday, we are moving at a relatively reasonable lick. So, in order to generate some funds, there's something that's been on my mind to do anyway, and I'm now going to do it. I'm going to remove the Akrapovic exhaust from my GS and put the stock one back on. But to give you an idea where we are with costs. So I think the engine work will be about £1,000. Having some work done on the tank, that's going to be £500. The tank paint job is going to be £600. The rework of the frame is going to be £150, £200. Then the powder coating of the frame. You get the idea. The numbers are climbing. And this was £1,000 new, this exhaust. So I should be able to get 600 quid for it. So I'm going to whip him off now. Chuck on the stock one. And get him sold. So with that, let's remove him. Now, having just whipped this off, and frankly speaking, I thought this was metal. This is plastic. What a pile of shit. Never mind. Anyway, just one clamp to take off, and then we are there. Made a bit of a job of that than it needed to be. And in fact, I could have left that little plastic panel on had I known what the underside looked like. But what was that? 5 minutes? Shame to shit that exhaust up now. Right, let's get the black one cleaned up and get them up for sale. And with that, have a good Friday evening. Cheers.